to Dean's Baking Show. So today I'm going to show you how to cook fried egg with cheese. The things we will need are shredded cheddar or cheddar slices, a pan, and an egg. Now we're going to put our pan on the stove and crack the egg into it. Now we are going to put it on medium-high setting until you can move the pan around without seeing any liquid. And also, we are going to kind of separate the yolk. Now the egg is ready to flip. We can see that if we move it around, nothing's sloshing around, so there's no liquid, and we are going to flip. Now that the egg is flipped, we are going to add one slice on, or we can sprinkle some shredded cheddar. I'm going to do shredded cheddar. Now that we have our cheddar sprinkled on, we are going to kind of push it down so the cheddar melts into the egg. So now the bottom is cooked too, so now it's done. And the cheese is also melted, as we can see. So now we are going to serve it. Cooking time over!